This is one of those meals that tastes really good but actually budget friendly. Jollof pasta with fish, perfect for family lunch and a quick dinner. Let me show you how I make mine. In a pot, I added some oil and added my chopped onion, fried out till it's fragrant, and I add some chopped garlic and I fried out for about a minute. I added some deboned fish and I fried that till it gives the fish a thick and crisp texture. Take the fish out and add in some tomato paste. Fry that till the color turns darker and oil separates from the tomato paste. And bring in your pepper mix. This pepper mix contains some tomato, bell pepper, and scotch bonnet pepper, and some onion. I added some salt, seasoning cube, thyme, and rosemary. Allow that to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Bring back your fish to the sauce and stir it well. Allow the fish to cook with the sauce for about 3 to 4 minutes so the sauce can season the fish well. While at that, let's boil our spaghetti. Our spaghetti is soft enough now. We will be mixing it with the sauce. Mix that thoroughly to ensure the sauce is coating the pasta well. Stir fry it on a low heat while mixing it. And that is it. Save this recipe and try it this week. If you love recipes like this, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.